Hi, I'm Sarah from Strolleria. In this video, we'll go over how to fold the Cybex Gazelle S stroller with 1 or 2 seats. The Cybex Gazelle S is available now at Strolleria.com. If you have questions, email us at customercare@Strolleria.com or leave a comment below. As Cybex's first single to double stroller, the Gazelle S offers flexibility for one child, siblings, or twins and is one of the few convertible strollers on the market to fold easily with 2 seats attached. Priced at $8.99 for a single and $11.29 for a double, the Gazelle S weighs just over 27 pounds, holds up to 50 pounds per seat, and up to 50 pounds in total between the 2 storage spaces. Let's see how to fold your Gazelle S. To fold the Gazelle S single stroller, first fold the stroller seat in half. Then press the handlebar buttons, squeeze the safety lever at the left of the handlebar, and lower the handle to fold the stroller frame. The Gazelle stands when folded without the handlebar touching the ground, and the frame locks in place automatically. To unfold, press the frame lock inwards and lift up on the handlebar, then raise the seat back into place. While most double strollers with tandem seating require removal of the lower seat to fold, the Gazelle is designed to save parents time and space by folding with both seats attached. With the upper seat forward-facing and lower seat rear-facing, lift the upper seat to ensure the calf support rests over the lower seat's bumper bar. Then fold the stroller frame and raise the lower seat's backrest into place. To fold with both seats forward-facing, tuck the upper seat's calf support underneath the seat, then fold the stroller frame as usual. With the upper seat rear-facing and lower seat forward-facing, fold the upper seat toward the handlebar, then fold the stroller frame down. The lower seat can be folded inwards for a more compact fold. To fold with both seats rear-facing, fold the upper seat inward toward the handlebar and tuck the calf support underneath. Fold the stroller frame down, then fold the lower seat upwards for a more compact fold. That's it for a review of how to fold the Cybex Gazelle S stroller in various configurations. The Gazelle S is available now at Strolleria.com. If you need help finding the stroller that's right for your family, email us at customercare@Strolleria.com or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.